In this video, we listed the 15 best survival knives for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Kaiser Cabox Fixed Blade Knife. The Kaiser Cabox Fixed Blade Knife, 1048A3, is a high-quality hunting and survival knife, ideal for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and bushcraft. It features a 3.36-inch D2 steel blade, known for its excellent edge retention, hardness, and corrosion resistance, making it a reliable tool for rugged conditions. The G10 handle provides a secure, ergonomic grip, ensuring comfort and control during use. Additionally, it comes with a durable sheath for easy and safe carrying. This knife aligns well with the user's interest in outdoor gear, survival tools, and EDC gadgets, complementing items like the small pocket knife for EDC, the Sportneer compass for navigation, and the Grail GeoPress water purifier. Its robust construction and practical design make it a valuable addition to an adventurer's or survivalist's kit. Product 2. Product name, Smith & Wesson Folding Knife. The Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS 8.6 inches assisted folding knife is a versatile and durable tool designed for outdoor, tactical, survival, and everyday carry (EDC) use. This knife features a 3.6-inch serrated clip-point blade made of stainless steel, offering excellent edge retention and cutting power. The aluminum handle provides a lightweight yet sturdy grip, ensuring durability and control during use. Equipped with assisted opening technology, the SWMP4LS allows for quick and smooth one-handed deployment, making it a reliable choice for emergency situations. Its liner lock and safety lock add extra security to prevent accidental closure. The partially serrated blade enhances versatility, making it ideal for cutting through ropes, fabric, or other tough materials. Product 3. Product name, Civivi Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife. The Civivi Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife is a compact and versatile EDC, everyday carry, knife, making it an excellent addition to the user's collection of portable tools and gadgets. This knife features a 2.98-inch D2 steel blade, known for its sharpness, durability, and edge retention, making it suitable for camping, survival, and hiking activities that align with the user's interest in outdoor gear like the Grail GeoPress water purifier, Sportneer hiking compass, and other survival tools. With a G10 handle, the Mini Praxis offers a secure grip and lightweight design, ensuring comfort and control during daily tasks, outdoor adventures, and precision cutting. The pocket clip allows for easy carry, making it a practical choice for EDC enthusiasts, DIY users, and anyone needing a reliable folding knife. Product 4. Product name, W-Scandi Full Tang Survival Knife. The W-Scandi Full Tang Survival Knife is a rugged and versatile outdoor tool designed for bushcraft, camping, hunting, and everyday carry (EDC). This tactical fixed-blade knife features a D2 steel blade, known for its durability, edge retention, and resistance to wear and corrosion. The full tang construction ensures maximum strength and reliability, making it suitable for heavy-duty survival tasks like wood processing, fire starting, and self-defense in outdoor environments. The TPE handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing control and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The knife also comes with a protective sheath, allowing for safe storage and easy carrying. Its sleek yet functional design makes it an excellent companion for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and adventurers who require a dependable and stylish tool. Product 5. Product name, Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife aligns well with your interest in EDC, everyday carry, gadgets, small pocket knives, and practical outdoor tools. This folding knife is designed for tactical, survival, and everyday use, making it a great addition to your gear collection alongside items like the small pocket knife for men, carabiner knife, and other multi-purpose tools. Key features: durable construction, made from high-carbon stainless steel, the blade is resistant to corrosion and maintains sharpness. Tactical design features a partially serrated tanto blade, ideal for cutting, piercing, and slicing tasks. One-hand operation, equipped with a thumb stud for quick deployment, making it convenient for EDC and emergency situations. Secure grip, the aluminum handle with textured scales provides a firm grip, reducing slippage during use. Product 6. Product name: Pocket Knife for Men. The Pocket Knife for Men, spring-assisted knife with fire starter, whistle, and paracord handle, model 6772, is a versatile and durable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and everyday carry (EDC) users. Featuring a spring-assisted folding blade, this tactical knife ensures quick deployment for immediate use. The stainless steel blade offers strength and precision, making it ideal for tasks such as cutting, carving, and slicing during hiking, camping, hunting, and survival situations. A standout feature is its built-in fire starter, which allows users to ignite fires in emergency conditions, making it an essential survival tool. The integrated whistle adds an extra safety element for signaling in distress situations. Additionally, the paracord-wrapped handle provides a secure grip while also serving as a multifunctional survival accessory. This knife is an excellent gift choice for dads, husbands, and outdoor enthusiasts, offering both practicality and reliability. Product 7. Product name: Holtzmann's Guerrilla Survival Knife. The Holtzmann's Guerrilla Survival Bloodline Full Tang knife is a robust and reliable tool designed for survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts. This knife features a full tang construction, which ensures strength and balance, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The blade is made from 1095 high-carbon steel, known for its exceptional hardness and edge retention, making it suitable for various survival scenarios, from cutting and chopping to piercing. Their Bloodline knife is designed for versatility and durability, with a fixed blade that can withstand rigorous use in the field. It comes with a Kydex sheath for secure storage and easy access, ensuring that the knife is always at hand when needed. The sheath is lightweight and weather-resistant, making it a practical choice for outdoor adventures. Incorporating the Holtzmann's Guerrilla Survival Bloodline knife into your survival gear can enhance your preparedness for emergencies, camping, or hiking. Product 8. Product name: Legal Pocket Knife. The Legal Pocket Knife is a versatile and compact tool designed for everyday carry, EDC, making it an ideal companion for various outdoor activities such as tactical camping, hiking, and survival situations. This knife features a 2.95-inch serrated blade, which provides excellent cutting performance, allowing users to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. The addition of a glass breaker and seat belt cutter enhances its practicality, making it useful in emergency situations where quick access to these tools can be life-saving. With a portable clip design, this knife can be easily attached to belts or pockets, ensuring that it is always within reach when needed. Its lightweight and small form factor make it convenient to carry without adding bulk to your gear. The Legal Pocket Knife is not just a functional tool, it also makes for a thoughtful gift for men who appreciate high-quality and practical gadgets. Product 9. Product name: Flisser Survival Hunting Knife. The Flisser Survival Hunting Knife is a versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, particularly those who enjoy camping, bushcrafting, and hunting. With a robust 15-inch full-tang fixed blade, this tactical Bowie knife is engineered for durability and strength, making it suitable for a variety of survival tasks. Included with the knife is a protective sheath for safe storage and transport, along with a sharpener to maintain the blade's edge and a fire starter to help ignite campfires easily. The knife's design emphasizes functionality, with a comfortable grip that ensures secure handling even in challenging conditions. Whether you're setting up camp, preparing food, or tackling outdoor challenges, the Flisser Survival Hunting Knife proves to be an essential companion for anyone who appreciates the great outdoors. Product 10. Product name: DC53 Steel Full Tang Knife. The DC53 Steel 38 cm, 15.2 in, Full Tang knife is a robust and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from high-quality DC53 steel, this knife features a full tang construction, which ensures durability and strength, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks like hunting, camping, and survival exploration. With a blade thickness of 6 mm, this fixed knife offers exceptional stability and cutting power, allowing users to tackle a variety of outdoor challenges with ease. The overall length of 38 cm, 15.2 in, provides a substantial grip and leverage, making it an ideal choice for both everyday carry, EDC, and outdoor adventures. Included with the knife is a sheath for safe storage and transport, ensuring that the blade is protected when not in use. Additionally, the package features a 5.9 in cerium igniter, enhancing its utility for camping and survival scenarios by providing a reliable fire-starting tool. Product 11. Product name Nuraki 13-inch Handmade Fixed Blade Knife. The Nuraki 13-inch Handmade Damascus steel fixed blade knife is a beautifully crafted multi-purpose tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and everyday carry. This knife features a striking Damascus steel blade known for its durability and sharpness, making it ideal for various cutting tasks. The intricate patterns on the blade not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also highlight the craftsmanship involved in its creation. The knife's handle is made from high-quality rosewood, providing a comfortable grip that complements its robust design. This makes it suitable for extended use during camping, hunting, or any outdoor activities. The knife comes with a leather sheath, ensuring safe storage and easy transport, whether you're hiking in the wilderness or simply need a reliable tool for everyday tasks. With its combination of functionality, style, and quality materials, the Nuraki 13-inch knife makes an excellent gift for anyone who appreciates fine craftsmanship and outdoor adventures. Product 12. Product name Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife. The Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, particularly suited for bushcraft, hunting, and camping. This fixed-blade knife features a versatile combo edge, which includes a serrated section ideal for cutting through tough materials. A standout aspect of this knife is its integrated fire starter edge and ferro rod, making it easier to ignite fires in various conditions, a critical function for survival scenarios. The knife also includes a whistle for signaling and an accompanying sheath that features an integrated sharpener, ensuring that the blade can be maintained in optimal condition while on the go. With its durable design and functional features, the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife is an excellent addition to any adventurer's gear, providing reliability and efficiency in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hunting, or engaging in survival tasks, this knife is designed to meet the demands of challenging environments. Product 13. Product name Dalstrong Bird's Beak Paring Knife. The Dalstrong Bird's Beak Paring Knife is a specialized kitchen tool from the Shadow Black series, known for its unique design and high-quality materials. Measuring 2.75 inches, this knife features a curved blade that allows for precise peeling, trimming, and intricate tasks, making it an essential addition to any chef's collection. The blade is crafted from 7cr17 MOV, high-carbon vacuum-treated steel, ensuring durability and sharpness for long-lasting performance. One of the standout features of this knife is its black titanium knit-ride coating, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also provides resistance to corrosion and wear. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and control, allowing for easy maneuverability during use. Additionally, the Dalstrong Bird's Beak Paring Knife comes with a protective sheath, ensuring safe storage when not in use. Product 14. Product name Nedfoss Pocket Folding Knife. The Nedfoss Pocket Folding Knife DA75 is a versatile 3-in-1 tool designed for men who enjoy outdoor activities such as camping and hiking. This survival knife features a reliable line-lock mechanism, ensuring the blade stays securely in place during use. It also includes a belt clip for convenient carrying, making it easy to access when needed. One of its standout features is the integrated seat belt cutter, which can be a lifesaver in emergency situations, allowing for quick access to safety. Additionally, the glass breaker tip provides an essential function for emergencies, ensuring that you can escape or assist others when necessary. Crafted with durability in mind, the Nedfoss Pocket Folding Knife is suitable for various tasks, from cutting ropes and preparing food to more demanding tasks like hunting. Product 15. Product name Shiny Crafts Crocodile Dundee Knife. The Shiny Crafts Handmade Forged Crocodile Dundee Knife, model OMG HK19, is a versatile fixed-blade knife designed for outdoor enthusiasts, including hunters and campers. This Bowie-style knife features a durable blade that is expertly crafted through a traditional forging process, ensuring both strength and sharpness. The knife's design draws inspiration from iconic adventure films, making it not only a functional tool but also a collectible piece for knife aficionados. With its robust construction, the shiny crafts knife is ideal for various tasks, such as hunting, camping, and general outdoor activities. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control during use. Additionally, the knife comes with a premium leather sheath, offering protection and ease of transport.